With the number of diagnosed concussions on the rise all around Wisconsin, the WIAA is taking steps to ensure that those affected have access to treatment.
Our Carrie Larson joins us now with more. Carrie?
Eric and Susan, the Board of Control unanimously approved a statewide concussion insurance policy yesterday, providing all 80,000 junior high and high school athletes free coverage if they get a concussion.
I think anything that we can do to increase access to care for athletes for any injury is important.
Wisconsin health experts say the access is especially critical for concussions.
Research sort of substantiates it probably doubled in the last decade or so.
Even with the number of injuries up, athletes don't always get diagnosed.
Whether that's because they're not aware of the symptoms that can come along with it, or they don't have access to healthcare professionals who are more equipped to diagnose it.
A new program called Headstrong Concussion Insurance will change that.
So I think the hope is that if there are athletes who either don't have insurance or who worry that the copays or deductibles with their primary insurance would prevent them from seeking care, that this would allow them to do so without having to worry about the financial burden that could come with it.
The program was approved by the WIAA Board of Control. President Pam Fagan says they hope it puts parents' minds at ease.
For families, this is one more level of comfort when a child or a young athlete experiences a concussion. That can be devastating for a family.
Verona High School football coach Dave Richardson says he's seen the concerns firsthand.
There are families that we have that would hesitate to take a kid into emergency room or to get a diagnosis because of a deductible.
He says the number of concussions is down on his team thanks to new procedures and education, but stresses it is serious and should be dealt with as soon as possible.
Get it diagnosed and let's let it heal. Because after you have the first one, then, you're more susceptible to second and third.
He hopes the new program will encourage more treatments and eventually less injuries.
And this just kind of the icing on the cake, I think, that the WIAA is protecting all of its athletes.
So if families already have insurance, they can still use that, but this program will provide a secondary insurance so there are no out-of-pocket expenses left over. And Susan, that new policy will take effect on August 1st.
Carrie Larson in the newsroom. Carrie, thank you.